I have just arrived at Lake Garda in Italy. So our food has arrived. Look how perfect and clear this water is. Taya's on the Aperol.
I want to see if I can fall out.
The pool. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've seen me before. If you haven't seen me, my name is Kira and you'll usually find me solo traveling in my self-converted camper van. But right now I am on a bit of a different trip. I have just arrived at Lake Garda in Italy and I am with my sister, her fiance, his brother and his partner. So yes, I am fifth wheeling two couples basically, but I'm very excited for this trip. I have just arrived at the hotel. We flew at 6 AM this morning, so I am running on about less than 2 hours sleep basically. We had a long drive from the airport, around 2.5 hours, but we did stop in a nice little town earlier. I did vlog it, so I will insert the footage in a minute. But yes, we are staying here for 4 nights. We are in Hotel Village Hotel Lucia. Yes, we are high up in the mountains. The view is absolutely amazing, looking over the snow-capped mountains and down on the lake. So yes, it's lovely, and yeah, I will insert the footage now of what we did earlier. So we have come for lunch in Prosecceria Mionetto.
Killed it.
We've just got our drinks. Taya's on the Aperol. I have my latte because I'm very tired. We're all running on like an hour's sleep. And we've got a lovely view of the lake behind us. We are in, let me tell you the town. We are in Desenzano del Garda, right down in the south of the lake basically. We have just stopped here on the way to our hotel. We've got about an hour and a half left to our hotel. Yes, it's very nice here. It's really warm and sunny. It's lovely. So our food has arrived. Me and Taya just got the pasta pomodoro, very basic. Everyone else got pizzas and a toasty. Here is the lake. How nice. There's snow on top of the mountain up there. Look how perfect and clear this water is. So nice. If she goes in, I'll go viral.
You know what? It's actually not that cold.
Is it not?
No. Like it's cold, but it's not like any colder than normal cold.
Ah.
I can't reach.
So we are just walking back to the car now. Got like an hour and a half drive to the hotel. So we're gonna get going so that we can check in. Hello. So we just arrived at the hotel and look at the view behind me. We're up really high. So nice. We're just going to the reception to check in and then I will show you around. You are in the room 50th floor. Here we are. So this is Tara and Johnny's room. This is their view. Look at this.
An inside balcony.
Achso, nee, das ist meiner. Ja, wir können ja gleich nochmal aufnehmen.
Unfortunately, my room doesn't have a view like this because I just got the basic single room. So yeah, they have the nice view. And my room is miles away from everyone else, like down in the basement floor. So yeah, I haven't seen it yet, but I need to go see it in a second. But this is so nice. I'd like to wake up to that view in the morning. Watch the sunrise there. Oh well. So I just found my room. It is small and basic, but completely fine. I'll show you. It's literally just the TV. My camera is still having issues focusing, clearly. Okay, yeah, this is the room. And sadly, I don't really have a view. I have a view of the car park. I mean, I do have the mountains, but yeah, car park. But the good thing is, the door is literally just here to the left of me. So if I want to go out and look at the view, I can just walk out the door. Yes, I'll show you the bathroom. Bathroom's nice. Nice shower. Hello. So I just realised that I didn't bring any like travel adapter plugs with me, which is really helpful because I have a lot of things to charge. So I've just plugged in my phone to the back of the TV. But yeah, I'm gonna have to, well, I have to see if anyone has a spare one. If not, I'm gonna have to go buy one from somewhere. I'm not sure where because we are kind of in the middle of the nowhere here, just up high in the mountains. So yes, I'm gonna have to see about that because obviously I need one to charge my cameras and laptop. Yes, so that's a bit annoying. I forgot. Also, I have absolutely no signal in this hotel. It's literally just shows like the satellite. There is Wi-Fi, but the password is not written anywhere, so I'm gonna have to go and ask the reception for that. But yes, very happy to be here. Very tired after literally sleeping for like an hour or two. But we are going to go have a look around the hotel in a minute, have a look at the pool and whatever else, and we have booked in for the restaurant tonight. Going to eat in the hotel restaurant. We have breakfast every morning, but that's it for food. So yeah, you have to reserve the restaurant every day for the evening meal. So yes, we're going to go have a look around. I am travelling with my suitcase from level 8. If you have not seen my video on a review of this, then I will link it in the video right now. You should check it out because they are really great. And it has survived the flight. I used this, I checked it. I checked it in. I didn't keep it in like as hand luggage. I actually checked it in and it has survived. It hasn't broken, which I find they often do.
What? These? I don't know.
Oh, €5.
Really?
That's really cheap actually. What's that work out in pounds?
So we've come out onto the terrace to have a drink with this lovely view behind us. Everyone's got their Aperol spritz. Cheers. So we came up the top of the hotel and look, there's hammocks looking over the nice view. There's more up here. Taya's in one. Oh, it's very steep. How cute. Oh my god. There's another one here. Look at that. So nice.
Hit me upside down in a minute.
Imagine if it just snaps and he flies down the hill.
I want to see if I can fall out.
Oh my god.
It's too heavy, I can't get you to go too high.
I don't think I can go any higher.
No, I think that's it. Oh, it's made me out of breath.
The pool. Part of it's covered. I don't know why. But look at that with the view. There's an indoor pool section as well, which looks really nice. So we just went to the supermarket to buy some water and some snacks to keep in our rooms after looking around that top bit that I showed you with the hammocks and stuff. That is so nice, and the pool area is really nice as well. I saw in the pictures that there was a different pool, so I'm a bit confused now. I need to read the reviews because I don't know if there's two pools or if that one's been like renovated and it's a, you know, just updated from the old pool. But I need to check the reviews and see. But I am feeling so tired now. Literally I'm running off about 2 hours sleep from last night. Yeah, so tired. But we are going to dinner in 1 hour. It's currently just before 6 o'clock and we're going to dinner at 7, just in the hotel. So I need to shower and get ready for dinner. Sunset is quite late here, after 8 o'clock. I do want to go take some pictures at sunset because it has been a perfectly sunny day, clear blue skies, so I'm hoping that we're going to get a nice sunset. I'm hoping it's not going to be behind the mountains. But yeah, lovely, lovely. It's still really nice and warm outside, even in the evening, and I'm very happy to be here. So I'm gonna get ready for dinner now, and I will pick you back up when we're eating. So I'm ready for dinner and the others aren't quite ready yet, so I am going to just head outside and take some pictures for Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then my Instagram is kira.balsam, Kira full stop balsam. I will put it up on the screen. Follow me there. You will see a lot of content before it comes out on YouTube, and yes, all of the pictures and stuff that I take on my travels. Yes, going to take them pictures and then heading to dinner. Film yours. So I just got back from dinner and I actually forgot to take my camera to dinner, but I did film the food with my phone, so I will insert that footage. Yeah, it is 9:30 now. We are all back in our rooms because, like I said, we didn't get any sleep last night because we had the very early flight. So we are going to go to sleep early, wake up early, go to breakfast in the hotel, and then we are going to go to, is it called Limon, I think Limon. Yeah, basically a little town on the edge of the lake, which isn't too far from us. I think it's about a 20-minute drive, so yes, that's the plan for tomorrow. But yeah, for now I'm going to sleep, so I will see you in the morning. We're actually in Limon. Give me my phone back.
Yes.
Look at this perfect little beach. So nice.